What if total wellness was always within reach, giving you more freedom to do what you love? Welcome to OlyLife, where cutting-edge technology meets the art of self-care, where well-being fits into your life, not the other way around. Let's take a quick look at the technology that powers it all. At the heart of OlyLife is pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, or PEMF, which uses low-frequency waves, similar to Earth's magnetic fields, to help your cells recharge so you feel more balanced and invigorated. Ready to get started? A $1,000 product purchase grants you access to OlyLife's program. You can choose the OlyLife P90 for daily rejuvenation, or 2 OlyLife G1 devices, ideal for couples or families. Those seeking a truly comprehensive approach can choose the OlyLife THZ P90 Plus and OlyLife G1, which unlock even more full body and eye care benefits. This combination is valued at $2,000. Let's explore each device and discover how they can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. The OlyLife P90 combines PEMF and Terahertz frequencies to promote circulation and enhance relaxation. Its portable, compact design allows for use at home or while traveling, making it an ideal choice for daily self-care. Here's what makes the OlyLife P90 special. It emits 1 MHz electromagnetic energy that penetrates deep into the body for better result. A bioelectromagnetic plate helps distribute that energy efficiently across the whole body, and it's designed with safety in mind. Secure, simple, and ready for everyday use. The OlyLife THZ P90 Plus introduces a new level of advanced wellness care. It combines PEMF and red light therapy in a sleek, portable unit designed for deep recovery and beauty support. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Inside the THZ P90 Plus are 2 specialized dual handle attachments: the Frost Age Beauty Device and the Revitalux Massager. The Frost Age Beauty Device uses RF and EMS to help improve skin elasticity and deliver gentle, anti-aging facials. The Revitalux Massager combines 3-in-1 magnetic therapy, EMS, and TENS, and red light to support body and scalp rejuvenation. Together with its PEMF and Terahertz main body, the P90 Plus offers an all-in-one solution for daily recovery, beauty, and massage. Additional upgrades include 20 intensity levels, a foot pedal that fits up to size 47, and a wireless infrared remote. To complement either system, the OlyLife Galaxy G1 is available for $500 and delivers PEMF-powered comfort where it's needed most. With 7 massage modes, adjustable warmth, and low-frequency vibration, it relieves eye strain, reduces puffiness, and promotes deep relaxation. Beyond these core devices, OlyLife also offers a range of wellness products to fit various lifestyle needs. The OlyLife Vitality Wand, priced at $600, combines PEMF and thermal air massage to promote circulation, reduce tension, and support detox. Product features include Terahertz waves, a unit of frequency. 1 terahertz corresponds to a wavelength ranging from 3 to 3,000 micrometers. PEMF ultra-long waves, a type of low-frequency alternating magnetic field that penetrates deeply into the body. Thermal energy transfer. It helps to relieve pain, relax muscle, alleviate inflammation, and increase tissue flexibility. Air massage. It is a technique that uses controlled airflow to apply uniform and consistent pressure to the body. This method offers standardized, flexible service with persistent application, ensuring hygiene assurance throughout the process. The OlyLife H Plus Bar, available at $600, is a hydrogen water bottle that uses MRET low-frequency resonance to improve hydration and antioxidant absorption. The OlyLife A9 Smart Anion Bama Air is a smart air purifier that produces high-concentration negative ions, helping refresh your environment and support restful sleep. It retails for $500. OlyLife makes it effortless to stay on track with your well-being, at home, at the office, or on the road. With tools this advanced at your fingertips, which OlyLife devices will you choose to elevate your wellness routine?